Haytham.
Well, first we started in Lahore by the name the Syrian guys. We started with the UAT University with the foreigner students there, and after that we moved to Islamabad, to Karachi company, and then to Afghan Markaz. Well, and since we were in Karachi company, we got Adnan. He was making sweets with us, basbousa, knafa, like different kind of sweets. And after we moved to Afghan, I handed over, like we kind of divided the effort between us. He started on his own. We started on, like we continued by our own. Syrian guys by us and Syrian taste by Adnan. And they supported us like a lot.
Actually, like,
a lot.
For the last 8 years, we didn't feel like we are strangers here. Honestly, like I know, like everyone says it, but every customer came here, like even though it's words, they say whatever you want, just take my number and call me. Like whenever you want, whatever you want, I'm here for you. So thank you for that.
Inshallah we will, and as much as we can, like we keep improving. Soon, inshallah. Soon. Maybe in few months here, when we are like completely settled, we have like professional staff, trained staff, then inshallah we might be able to manage something in Lahore. Honestly, we are trying not to keep it about like one item. Like whatever comes, like whatever we like to eat, whatever is really, delicious and also economical at the same time. We try to promote it and introduce it to the streets of Islamabad or Pakistan in general. They're amazing, man. They're amazing, and they love food a lot. They really love food.
They are the only people I know that they are foodie. Even though they don't show it, but they are foodie inside. They look for the food. So that's our chance.
Yeah. And like they welcome foreigners like like it's like their own relatives, or it's amazing. I'm gonna be honest here. Many Pakistanis try to travel outside for opportunities. Don't, man. You have a lot of opportunities here, and you can do amazing things here if you just open your mind and do new things which is not available in your country. Can we?
We can. Pakistan's. That's it.
Zindabad.